To find this South Meadow staging, what you want to do is head north out of Duck Lake on 783, about 11 kilometers. You'll find a road off to the right, follow that around to the stop sign of Carlton Trail, and then hang a left, and then watch on the right. It might be a kilometer or so down the road, I'm not sure how far it is. You'll find a small approach going into the bush. Follow that, that'll get you into this meadow that you're seeing right now. Okay, we're going to be coming up to a crossroads. We're going to be turning left going out to the west pasture. You turn right, you can go to Roddick Cabin or Birch Cabin. To get to Birch Cabin, hang a left at your first main road, and you follow your nose to Birch Cabin, go straight out to Carlton Trail, and you can go to Roddick Cabin. There's the road right there, and we're going left.
It's on the street. The heat is on. The shadows hide on the darker side. Behind the doors, it's a wild ride. You can make or break. Win or lose, that's a chance you take. When the heat's on you, and the heat is on. Caught up in the action, I'm looking out for you. Tell me. The heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on. It's on the street. The heat is on. The heat is on. Flames are running high. The heat is on. It's on the street. The heat is on. Told me what you did last night. Left me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but I should have been with you instead. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't want to miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Yeah, yeah. The gray skies out It's permanent up in the sand. 'Cause you're my lady, I'm your fool. Makes me crazy when you act so cool. Come on, baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing, everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna listen when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hear that high. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in there. They can dance, we'll stay home and stay. Wake me up before you.
Okay, we're coming up to a turn here. If you turn right, you can follow 5 kilometers up to a crossroad that'll take you to Birch Cabin Road. If you go straight, it goes left, go through a gate, and that will take you to Carlton Trail through some pasture. So here's the turn, we're hanging a right. From here, it's roughly 5 kilometers up to the crossroad to Birch Cabin. We'll point it out when we get there.
If I could stick my hand in my heart, I'd spill it all over the stage. Would it satisfy? Would it satisfy? Would you think the boy is strange? Ain't it strange? If I could win, if I could sing a love song.
Here we're coming up to the crossroad that you could take off to the right to go to Birch Cabin, or Birch Cabin Road. There it is right there. We're now going to head farther north up to the large hay meadows, but they're presently completely flooded.
Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train, and I was feeling near as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained and rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. We sang every song that Javi knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, I mean nothing, honey, if it ain't free. No, no. Yeah, feeling good was easy, love, when he sang the blues. You know, feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby, yeah. From the Kentucky coal mine to the California sun, hey, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything we've done, your Bobby, baby, kept me from the whole. One day up near Salinas, I let him slip away. He's looking for that home, and I hope he finds it. But I trade all of my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, that's all that Bobby left me. But if feeling good was easy, loud when he sang the blues. Hey, feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby, yeah.
We're going to try this trail to see if there's a way to get through the mud and water that's sitting in the meadow, blocking us. We'll go to the end and then come back.
Bobby, yeah. Hey, no Bobby, no Bobby McGee, yeah. Hey, no Bobby, no Bobby McGee, yeah. When I called him my lover, called him my man, I said I called him my lover, did the best I can, come on. And the Bobby, no, and the Bobby McGee, yeah. Lord, 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 Lord. Hey, 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 Bobby McGee, Lord.
Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well in a castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet. You know that ghost is me, and I will never be set free as long as I'm a ghost you can't see. If I could read your mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind the drugstore sells. When you reach the part where the heartaches come, the hero would be me. Heroes often fail, and you won't read that book again because the ending's just too hard to take. I'd walk away like a movie star who gets burned in a three-way script into number two. A movie queen to play the scene of bringing all the good things out in me. But for now, love, let's be real. Never thought I could act this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone and I just can't get it back.
We're going to have a look here to see if we can spot any open ground that we could cover in order to get through this flooded meadow. At this point it's just straight mud and water from this side. So what we decided to do was go back to the road. I'll cut that trip out because you've already seen it. And it's only a short distance to the end of the road where you'll find that everything's all flooded out. Be okay for the guys with snorkels, maybe they could make it across, but we don't snorkel, we don't submarine.
Trying to understand the feeling that you lack. I never thought I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone and I just can't get it back.